So this is a story, according to Kurt Asmus. This boat had a legacy of problems. Somewhere in Ireland it was raided. They found $22 million worth of cocaine.
Drive it.
About 2 hours ago, the Augsburg had to drop anchor because of a problem. An hour or so later they raised the anchor and continued their journey to make the lockages here. They're now in the locks and they're tying up. The big heavy rope is down and they're going to tie up to these, what do they call them, boltons, those yellow things on the other side. If you're looking closely here, nope, that's just a light stand. So they've been yabbering in Swahili, at least not English, trying to get things fixed. Maybe they're going to drop another rope, and then they're here for the night. And we'll hear all about them on the evening news tomorrow night. Locks blocked at Iroquois. I hope they get a really, really hefty fine. Meanwhile, there's this Norwegian ship waiting patiently. Let's focus it on it. Waiting patiently. And there's a whole pile of small cruisers, part of what we call the Quebec Navy, that's trying to go upstream and lock up the Rideau Canal past our house. And we'll see them maybe tomorrow. Or maybe a few days later. So over here is this international dam joining Canada to the US of A. Very automated system. There's nobody in this lock station. Oh, by the way, they have now lowered the access lift bridge. That means nobody is going nowhere inside the locks. But there are workers that do need to transit that bridge in order to repair whatever the issue is on this ship. So it is going nowhere. Just hoping they got lots of ice cream on board for tonight's Sunday meal. Everybody else here is patiently waiting, including us. In the background, you see this United Church cemetery, beautifully kept, and they moved all the tombstones when they built the Seaway in the 1950s that were being flooded and reinterred everybody here. Okay, so we're just going to check out the local airport, try and get a picture of the Norwegian ship that's so patiently waiting, and so that's the saga for now.